Hello friends! As you know, the battery compatibility issue is too popular for users of cordless devices, such as drill drivers, angle grinders, jigsaws, multifunction tools, etc. And in this video we will talk about the compatibility or non-compatibility of Parkside and Enkho batteries. So visually they are almost the same. But here we have a mismatch. Well, this red tongue is a bit far in comparison with this black tongue. And also, in case the Parkside device fits this battery, or the Enkho device will not fit because of this part. In one of the videos on YouTube, I've seen that Enkho battery was installed into the Parkside drill driver, but it could only start and it stopped in a second. So there are electronics problems, and let's define them in this video. I would like to mention that the power indicator levels are also too similar. Let's check both batteries with the help of Parkside device. Okay. So it fits and even moves, but you cannot remove it without this button. No reaction. Also in this position, no reaction. Let's disassemble both batteries and see their BMS boards. Here we have Parkside INR 18650, 2000 milliamp hours, the voltage, and here only INR 18650E, the voltage. And most likely this is manufacturer date 2020 01/12. Here also we have 2020 04/25. As to the Parkside battery, minus plus, nothing, nothing, minus plus. So this contact is close to minus. This is also close to minus because the difference amounts approximately to 20 volts. And it means that we should measure the resistance between these and these contacts. $10 kilo ohms, nothing here, but as we know, the third terminal is next to minus contact. So the device measures the resistance between these two terminals. As to here, Enkho battery. Nothing. Nothing. So 0.6 mega ohms. And it's almost not real for the thermal sensor, especially in such batteries. I would also like to draw your attention to the fact that in the Parkside battery, the minus from the battery goes directly to the minus terminal. Here we have the fuse. But here the battery is MOSFETly protected, and it's very interesting. Voltage 20. It's very strange. It's very strange, really, when the real voltage of the battery is so you cannot measure the real voltage with the help of these terminals. It decreases. But as soon as you try to use a voltmeter, which needs some power for operation, everything becomes okay. Minus, plus, and it's okay. So in case of no load, the BMS board even protects these terminals, which is really very interesting solution. And now how to cheat this battery and make it work together with Parkside devices. Firstly, I've soldered the 10 kilo ohm resistor to these two terminals, but it did not help, because after soldering, the resistance between these two terminals became 3 kilo ohms. But as we know, we cannot check it. So that 3 kilo ohm resistance occurs in view of the electronics of the board. So after you solder this resistor to these two terminals, the only thing you should do is to desolder this BMS board and cut the line which connects this terminal to the rest components. And after that you can use Enkho battery with any Parkside 20 volt device. So here we have remade battery. The BMS board was desoldered and then soldered again. You should know that during soldering, firstly you should solder the minus terminal, then cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4 and cell 5. Otherwise the BMS will not work. Let's try it. Even in this position, the connection is okay. And the device works. It doesn't work only if you remove the battery. So in this situation I have absolutely no need of Parkside battery, and these two Enkho ones will be also hacked this way. As I guess, the Enkho production is widespread in Italy. So, amici, this video will necessarily help you to use your Parkside devices together with more or less cheap Enkho batteries. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Wish you good luck.